Today is Monday, April 8th. I'm on the way to the Fort
Pierce area in Florida to pick up a 22-foot Hydrosport boat, and I'll be taking it to Charleston, South Carolina. I don't have a job booked back down yet, but I hope to be booked before I drop this one off so I can pick up first thing tomorrow. So thank you for viewing. Hello, how are you doing?
Time to back up to this beautiful vessel and get on the road. $1 per mile is my hustle. Transportation is my game. Let's get it loaded up and let's get paid, baby. Let's make this dinero. Yeah.
We have arrived in South Carolina at the drop. I'm here in Destin, Florida, picking up an insurance claim bass boat. Today is an important lesson learned about reading before placing a bid. I'm having to dead run 400 miles because I didn't realize that U-Ship was counting the GPS miles, not the road miles. So it was telling me that Destin was within 200 miles of Orlando, and it was not. So anyways, to keep my good standing with Valdosta, I'm gonna dead run. I'm not gonna cancel on them. They pay me good, so I'm just gonna shut up and take the L. Just wanted to show you guys some of the cool sights I see while I pass through small towns in America, like this old school building somewhere in Georgia, somewhere in South Georgia. Well, actually North Florida. I haven't made it to Georgia just yet, but I'm very close to the border. I think it's Swan, Florida. Who knows? Another successfully delivered boat to Cranky Ape in Valdosta, Georgia. We out. I have arrived in Plant City. It's around 8 a.m., 7:50. Taking this boat to Charleston, South Carolina, then dead running to China Grove, North Carolina to pick up a boat from Copart, take it down to Deltona. And the next pickup is in Fort Lauderdale. And that boat's going to Charleston too for the same customer. Then I'm picking up another boat for the same customer and taking to Los Angeles, California. So we're in for a long haul. On the way to the post office to send out some Macari and Poshmark sales. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. Had to park the boat in the grass across the street, so I didn't want to maneuver through the parking lot. Blah, blah, blah.
This is the mail was titled to the owner.
This one came in yesterday. It's actually the incorrect vehicle.
I'm here at Copart in China Grove, North Carolina. I dropped off a boat in Charleston, South Carolina yesterday and dead ran here to pick up another boat, taking it to Deltona, then going home all of Saturday, leaving for Miami. On Sunday, I'm gonna stay with my friend for the night because I have to pick up a boat in Fort Lauderdale on Monday, take it to Charleston, then it's gonna be Charleston to Los Angeles, and I hope I'm booked back to Florida by the time I arrive in California. And thank you for viewing.
Which one of these baggers is my freaking escort, man? I need to get out of here. Where you at? There you are. Let's get out of here, mate. Show me what I need so I can hook it up and get the hell out of here.
The boat. But this trailer's blocking it, so I think he's doing a U-turn to move that trailer for me. Let's see. Alright, this thing is moved. Now time to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. This is La Boat. Pretty messed up. And they back this thing into the shit. What the fuck?
When I submitted my quote, I did not include tree removal, so I don't know why I'm being forced to remove trees from a boat. What in the hell? But it looks like this boat was crashed from the water into a body of trees.
We're all loaded up. Time to hit the road. Get out of the vehicle graveyard. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Got an early 70s vet. Someone had a bad day in that bit. Oh, new vet. New vet. Okay, okay. Delivery to Deltona successful.
Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I hope everyone's doing great and moving toward the goal of getting healthier and wealthier. The end.